Congrats on your recent upgrade. Today, we'll show you how to install and activate your new internet and/or phone equipment. First, let's talk about what's included in your kit. You should have a modem and a welcome letter. You will need both of these items to complete your installation. Other items included in your kit are 2 coaxial cables, an Ethernet cable, and a splitter. Some of these items may not be necessary for your installation, but have been included for your convenience. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Disconnecting your existing equipment. First, unplug your existing modem from the power outlet. Then, disconnect the power cord and coaxial cable from the back of it. If you have an Ethernet cable attached to your existing modem, disconnect that from the back as well. If you subscribe to our home phone service, disconnect the telephone cable from the back of your existing modem also. Now, set your existing modem aside. If it is leased from Mediacom, we'll give you instructions on how to return it later in this video. We will now show you how to install your new equipment. First, connect the coaxial cable to the back of your new modem. Next, connect the new power cord to the back of your new modem and plug the power cord into the power outlet. Note: do not use the power cord from the previous modem. If you are installing phone service, connect the telephone cable to the Tel1 port on the back of your new modem. If you are installing internet, connect the Ethernet cable from the back of your computer to the port labeled Ethernet 1 on the back of your new modem. We are now ready to activate your modem. Note: if you are installing internet and need to set up your Wi-Fi, you will refer to the guide Connecting to Your Wireless Network included in your kit after completing the modem activation. You can also watch the video guide here. To begin your modem activation, you will need to get online and go to the following web page. Refer to the welcome letter in your kit for your activation code and the equipment information needed to activate your services. You can log in by either using your Mediacom billing account number and activation code found on the welcome letter, or by using your Mediacom ID, username, and password. Once logged in, simply follow the on-screen directions to finish your activation. After you have successfully activated your modem, your installation process is complete. Here's how to return your previous modem. If your previous modem was leased from Mediacom, you will need to return it to us along with all the other items that were replaced, such as the power cord. Place your modem, cords, and cables into the shipping box that was used to deliver your Mediacom equipment. Close and seal the box, and then place the enclosed return label on the outside of the box, completely covering the previous shipping label. Refer to the letter in your equipment kit for mailing instructions. If the unused equipment is not received within 15 business days, this may result in an unreturned equipment charge. The charge will be removed from your account when we receive the equipment. If you need additional support with your equipment installation, activation, or return, contact us or visit us online. Thank you for choosing Extreme.